Okay, so we see Mr. Trump getting out of his car and he's going to the cooking show.
Let's go.
Excuse me, Mr. Trump. What are your thoughts on this cooking show?
This cooking show is going to be great. Hey, no more questions. What are you trying to do, camera?
Last time, before he enters the studio for his cooking show, I think I need to ask a question. Where exactly is his bodyguard now?
Alright, this is the ABC Cooking Show. Today I'm your host, and we have a special guest today. Please welcome Donald Trump.
Hey, thank you for having me here. Hey, nice to meet you. Aren't you the reporter I bullied?
Trump.
Did I bully this reporter?
I am in no way related to the reporter that you just bullied a few minutes ago.
And that cameraman.
I bullied you too.
What? You need to calm down.
Alright,
Let's
alright.
just make the show great again.
Alright.
Let's get this started. Commercial. I decided to fire the host because I own this company now, and so my bodyguard is gonna be the assistant cook. Alright, so we're making the plant cell cake. Alright, my assistant's gonna break the eggs. 3 eggs. Alright. One. All the eggs. We're gonna start to stir the eggs. My assistant's gonna be adding some oil, half cup of oil, gradually. Alright.
Now that we have stirred the eggs and the oil together, I'm gonna gradually mix it with a little bit cake batter. So, just gonna add gradually. And
so now that we have mixed the cake batter, we're going to slowly insert it into the pan.
got you. Go, let go.
Now that we've inserted the cake batter into the pan, we're now going to place it into the oven. We're going to heat it at 365 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll pull it out and we'll start frosting. We have finished our plant cell cake. Alright, so here you go. Take that.
Hey, weren't you the host who got fired?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not related to the host in any way.
Alright, so now we are spreading the frosting, which is represented as the cytoplasm.
The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that helps move things around the cell.
Alright, now we're applying the blue icing on the cake, and this is going to be the cell membrane.
The cell membrane is a thin and flexible barrier that controls what is imported and exported from the cell.
So after we created the cell membrane, now we're going to build a wall.
A cell wall is the outer layer of the plant cell that provides support and protection. This also allows plant cells to hold up the entirety of the plant.
So now that we have finished our cell wall, we are going to insert our nucleus.
The nucleus is an organelle that is found in all eukaryotic cells. It holds all the DNA, which is hereditary information that controls how proteins and other organelles are built.
So now that we have a nucleus, we are going to insert the nucleolus inside the nucleus.
The nucleolus makes ribosomes.
So now that we have placed the nucleolus inside the nucleus, we are going to place chloroplast along the side of the cell wall.
Chloroplasts are organelles that capture energy from the sun, water, and carbon dioxide, then convert them into glucose in a process called photosynthesis.
Alright, so now we're going to be placing the rough ER. hopefully.
The rough ER, also known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum, is named so because of the ribosomes that are stuck to its surface. After ribosomes make proteins, the rough ER assembles them together to make complete proteins. This is found in all cells.
So now that we have placed the rough ER, we are going to be placing the smooth ER.
A smooth ER is where lipid parts of the cell, like the cell membrane, are made.
Now we're going to place the mitochondria. Too good.
The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria, more specifically, takes chemical energy and converts it into energy that can be used by the cell. The mitochondria is found in all cells that can use oxygen for aerobic respiration.
Alright, so now we are going to place down the Golgi body.
The Golgi apparatus modifies and sorts and packages proteins and other materials from the ER for storage inside the cell or exports to outside the cell.
Now we are going to be placing the vacuole.
The vacuole is a sac-like structure that stores materials like water, salts, proteins, and carbohydrates. In plant cells, the pressure that emanates from the vacuole makes it possible for the plant to support itself.
Now we are going to be placing the ribosomes, which are small M&M pieces.
Ribosomes are found in all cells. On the surface of the ribosomes, proteins are assembled by attaching amino acids together.
Alright, so we have made improvements to our wall and upgraded it so that no intruders can get past it, such as bacteria. And now we are placing the lysosomes.
Lysosomes are organelles that contain enzymes that break down cell materials, like a garbage disposal, such as proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. These are found in all eukaryotic cells.
Alright, we have finally finished our plant cell cake. It's amazing. What do you guys think? Oh.